Hello everyone. Good to see you. I believe you got a take-home gift of a peach. I'm going to show you how to make this into peaches flambé and cream. Why don't you come a little closer? You want to find the crack of the peach. Y'all know what that looks like? Tickle tickle, right here. We cut right down that seam. Twist. We want to cut out our pit. Make sure that's out of there. Pit will crack your teeth. All right. Now that we have our peach, we just want to cut it into slices, just like this. Okay. Doesn't really matter the slice because they're going to kind of cook down in the pot as we get going here. We'll get rid of this pit. Okay, nice hot pan right here, okay guys? What I'm gonna do with this hot pan, you can see that it's smoking, we're gonna add a little bit of water. Now I know that you guys are all plant-based diet here. You can easily do butter first, but we're gonna do coconut oil. We're gonna do water, brown sugar, we're gonna mix that in there. Ooh, we were really hot. That's okay. We're gonna add our coconut oil at the end. You don't wanna add it at the beginning with the water. You'll have an explosion. But that coconut oil is gonna melt, and eventually that fat will combine with the sugar to create pretty much a caramel. Always want to have some vegan ice cream, vanilla ice cream ready to go. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to allow this to cook a little bit. Take a look inside. You can see the fat mixing. Okay. So you can see that it's starting to caramelize here. The next thing we're going to do, a little bit of brandy. I have some Christensen's Brothers here. Light it on fire. Watch out, tree. Now, to extinguish the fire, we simply just add our peaches. We're just going to let this cook down. Take a look inside there. All right, so I'm just kind of working those peaches. Now what we've done here is we've created a coconut brown sugar peach caramel. As those peaches leach out their liquid, it's gonna make that caramel taste like peaches. Now, a good pinch, if not a pinch and a half of salt, you need that. It's gonna really have a nice effect when going over the sweet, sugary, creamy vegan ice cream. All right, we're just gonna let this cook down for a second, maybe like 2 minutes, until you see a little bit of translucency. All righty. We are ready to rock. Peaches and cream. And there you have it, guys. Right. And there you have it, guys. A nice little take-home gift and cooking class for you guys to enjoy at home.